I'm meteorologist Meghan Wessel, and we had another big snowstorm off to the north and west from last night, Wednesday night into Thursday. Take a look at this. Grantsburg, 16.5 inches of snow, and in some other areas like Tomahawk seeing about a foot of snow, and Bayfield 9 inches on the lower end of things. At Wausau, 2.5 inches of snow. So very impressive for a little after the middle portions of April. That is very impressive. So look at temperatures today. High temps 56 degrees in Milwaukee, and off to the north, that's where they had those 30s, bringing them plenty of snow today. 62 in Chicago. And for this weekend, we're going to tap into that warmer air from the southwest. 55 degrees in Des Moines today. So those are the temperatures we can look forward to for our weekend. Right now, 48 degrees in Milwaukee, 43 in Racine, 45 in Waukesha, 43 in West Bend. And so those temperatures away from the lake overnight tonight are going to drop down just a few degrees more than the counties along the lakeside. We'll be sitting at 35 in Milwaukee, 35 in Racine and Kenosha, with plenty of clouds sticking around overnight tonight. And here we see on the big picture, there's the clouds sticking around. But that was all of our snow throughout the morning hours up to the north, dropping almost, what do we see, 16.5 inches of snow in some spots. And the rain stays all to the south as high pressure builds in. That'll dominate, keeping the drier air blocking out any kind of moisture throughout the day tomorrow. Looking at this weekend, though, we have that jet stream staying well to the north, which is a good thing. That'll let us tap into some of those warmer temperatures, but that brings us some more moisture. So thunderstorms off to the south and west. We'll be seeing more or less rain showers for our neck of the woods as this rain continues into Easter Sunday. Make sure you bring your umbrella. All the chilly air stays to the north. That's the good news. So a little bit of a trade-off here, but here goes that cold air off to the east coast. High pressure continues to settle in, bring those dry conditions then for Friday. Mild air, well, that's what we're going to tap into for Saturday morning. All the rain showers develop with this low off to the north. That'll stay out of our neighborhood, but we'll be looking for this cold air behind that, bringing some showers developing for Saturday night into Sunday. So it's gonna be a rainy Sunday, but it'll be a good fun one with nice warmer temperatures in store. 48 then for Friday in Milwaukee, 48 in Chicago. So you'll notice just a tad bit cooler as lake breeze develops later at night for Friday, but 54. If you're heading away from the lake, the temperatures will be somewhere around the mid-50s throughout the day then tomorrow in the afternoon. That's something to look forward to if you're heading out to the west. 35 overnight tonight, seasonably cold, and if you're away from the lake, it's going to be kind of flip-flop then. You'll be at Waukesha, 31 degrees, so just a little bit cooler. West-northwest winds at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Then here's that lake breeze I was talking about, 48 degrees for tomorrow. Waukesha, then they're going to be just a tad bit warmer, 51 degrees throughout the afternoon, then dropping down to freezing at 32 degrees with increasing clouds tomorrow night, seasonably cold. Cool overnight tonight or tomorrow night. 52 degrees on Saturday, warmer, breezier conditions pushing in with that southeast winds. That's where we're going to get those warmer temperatures from. 58 then in Waukesha on Saturday. So for your 10-day outlook, here's Easter. Just remember to bring your umbrella, but have fun. If you're doing Easter egg hunts outside, try to maybe move those indoors. Then the next portion of the week, looking at Tuesday, 60 degrees, then up to 65 on Friday. And, well, folks, unfortunately back to the upper 40s then on Saturday. I'm meteorologist Meghan Wessel, and while some areas had up to 5 inches of snow today in Madison, on the lower end of things, Waukesha just 4/10 of an inch of snow throughout the day today, and throughout some of the other areas, say like Milwaukee, we had 6/10. And, well, folks, this moisture, though, continued off to the south and east. As we see here, just a few lingering clouds throughout the evening hours. We'll start to see some drier air taking place and pushing into Wisconsin as high pressure settles in. Talking about temperatures, though, look at this, 19 degrees today, so much warmer than we've seen the first 5 days of March. We're all below freezing, and the warmest so far was on March 1st and 2nd at 23 degrees. Looking at the rest of the Wisconsin area and the Midwest, mid-20s, 27 in Des Moines, 42 down in St. Louis. We will start to see air moving in from the southeast overnight tonight as those winds switch. Right now, 17 degrees in Milwaukee, Racine, 10 in Waukesha and West Bend. And the clouds in the next few hours will play a big role on those overnight low temperatures. Single digits in most spots, 8 in Milwaukee, 4 in West Bend. So as we see here, with clearing skies to the north, temperatures will drop down just a tad bit more as we'll see radiative cooling 1 below in Fond du Lac overnight tonight. Future forecast, here's that dry air pushing in as that cold air pushes out. We'll see some warmer air feeding up then from the south. That's going to bring us some milder temperatures as we wait for this next low pressure system centered over the Dakotas, bringing us another cold front then for Friday afternoon into Saturday. Then we're going to see some rain showers moving in and some snow moving in overnight then as temperatures drop down. Thursday's high temperatures 27 degrees in Milwaukee, and just gorgeous compared to what we've had this winter and the last few weeks. It's been cold, folks, so this will be a nice break. 28 in Madison, then tomorrow and 26 with some lingering clouds in Wausau. Overnight tonight with those high clouds, that'll drop us into the single digits, partly cloudy skies overnight. Looking at those wind chills, though, near zero. We'll see a northeast wind switching to southeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Then tomorrow, 27 degrees, partly cloudy skies and breezy. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Then tomorrow night, 17 degrees, partly cloudy skies, and it'll be much warmer than what we have seen for most of March so far. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Then Friday, 38 degrees. That might be the warmest day so far. We had one other day in February that was very warm, but other than that, things are going to incline though for temperatures, mostly cloudy skies, and we'll see some light rain showers late, switching to just possibly some sleet during the overnight hours, southwest winds. Then taking a look at your 10-day forecast. That round of showers will wrap up then Friday into Saturday morning. Clear and dry for this weekend, 30 degrees. So we'll be sitting above freezing for Sunday, then Monday, 41 degrees with rain, snow showers moving in as this next low pushes in by Tuesday through Thursday. We'll see things finally drying up for Friday for a wonderful weekend, 31 degrees, then back at freezing at 32 degrees on Saturday with another round of snow showers. I'm meteorologist Meghan Wessel, and folks, what you've been all waiting for at 11:57 tomorrow morning, we will be tapping into spring at March 20th this Thursday. I'm very excited to say that after this very cold winter we have had. Looking at temperatures today, though, 39 degrees, and that's just shy of where we should be, so we're a little bit on the cooler side of things. Morning low of 36, and a lot of you will agree with that as you saw snowflakes falling out this morning in some spots, keeping those roads just a tad bit slick, leaving us for rainfall totals, though, at 0.07 of an inch for the day today. Looking at high temperatures along the lakeside, just a bit on the cooler side because our air is moving in from the northwest, and we'll switch more to a westerly flow by tomorrow, bringing us some upper 30s. But here we already see those 40s moving in. That with our next low, we'll bring that into Milwaukee, and possibly through the next few days, we're going to be on the cooler and warmer side of things. 36 in Milwaukee right now, 35 in Racine and Kenosha, at freezing in West Bend and Waukesha right now at 32 degrees. Looking at temperatures overnight tonight, in the lakeside counties staying just a tad bit warmer, 28 in Racine and Kenosha, 27 in Milwaukee. If you're heading out to Wisconsin Dells, though, 23 degrees, so just there'll be a cooler spot here in the big picture of things. Looking at radar, though, here's the last band of snow showers moving through Green Bay and still in Manitowoc County. Those are pushing out over the lake in the next few hours. We are going to see clearing skies behind that, so the good thing is we'll be out of the snow anytime soon here as this low continues to push off to the north and east. We'll see on the back edge of this, though, the low, we'll see those clouds sticking around throughout the overnight hours and well into the morning hours as we have that high pressure settling in. That's where we're going to see the clearing skies by tomorrow afternoon, just a few passing clouds at best. So here the low pressure continues off. Northwest winds where we build into a westerly flow as that high pressure just slides in, keeping things dry for Friday. But our next low, that's going to bring us a lot of warmer air out of the southwest for Friday morning into the afternoon hours. But that cold air will push in behind that as we have some rain showers in store well into Saturday morning, though. We'll see some light snow showers sticking around. Not a lot of accumulation expected. 45 degrees then for tomorrow afternoon, 37 in Wausau, 36 degrees in Rhinelander, so they'll be on the colder side of things if you're heading up north. 42 in Eau Claire with plenty of sunshine throughout the state of Wisconsin tomorrow. Looking at your low temperatures overnight tonight, 27 degrees with some flurries more or less off to the north, clearing for here in Milwaukee. 45 degrees for tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, and it'll be seasonal for this time of the year, and northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, so those are going to be a bit chilly, switching to the southeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour for tomorrow night. 30 degrees, partly cloudy skies will build in once again, but here come the scattered showers with the partly cloudy skies for Friday at 47 degrees for your Friday afternoon, so do not forget your umbrella if you're heading out at all Friday night. Then looking at Saturday, there's those early morning snow showers drying out as that big Arctic air pushes in. Again, this Arctic front will bring us back to 28 degrees on Monday. And then it's going to really damper things for getting warm as far as spring goes. We're going to be staying in the mid 30s to upper 40s by Wednesday and Thursday. So really, spring is here, but it's not going to really feel like it throughout much of early next week.